Hi, and thanks again for watching another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of EcoWash Industries. And our latest customers just with us over the weekend for training, Valley Isle EcoWash, coming all the way from the state of Hawaii, Maui to be exact. And I'm very excited to have helped another family out of Hawaii. My wife and I are also from the beautiful state of Hawaii. And when we started our services a little over 4 years ago, we told ourselves, we need to bring this back home. And, here we are today. There's a lot of like-minded business people out that way who want to bring it back home for us. It's a great feeling to know that there's families out there who get to, see what we've done. And that's exactly what this family did. They did their homework, they researched, ultimately came to work with EWI, knowing that, we're a company who has built the service side first and then became the manufacturer. We're not a company that's just, trying to sell the product. It's important to sell the business first, understand how to scale, and then move forward and, do what you need to do to help this industry grow. You're gonna get the Kickstarter package with us. It's the best value out there, hands down, when it comes to logo design, the wrap, websites. I flew this family from Hawaii to be here for training, put them in a hotel, rent them a car. You're gonna get the best value here. Give us a call anytime. If you're thinking about doing this business, you want to learn more, give us a call, 480-789-0931. Love to hear from you. Once again, my name is Greg Aganowski. Make it a great day.